November 17th, 2024. Spent all day cutting and buffing the areas on the car. Well, rough buffing. They're not final buff, but by any means. Getting ready for glass to be put in. This is coming out really nicely. Haven't done the trunk. I was just doing the rear quarters and the top because that's the areas where the glass guy is going to come put the quarter windows back in and the door glass. So those had to be buffed right down to where the moldings and things were going to go. But I didn't want to buff it with the moldings in place. I'll still have to buff the main areas, but I got right up to the edges. But this is looking good, I think. I mean, for some old guy that doesn't know what the heck he's doing and just watching videos on YouTube and learning and trying, I'm a happy camper. My Hercules dual action forced rotation buffer. I bought that thing just to do this job. Problem I had with the buffers, the other ones, the dual action and rotation, if there was any resistance to the buffer pad, the rotation would stop. And it would just have a dual action and no rotation. And I think that to get a good shiny support or get a good shiny finish on this, I need the rotation, I think. That's been my experience. But anyway, that thing works pretty well. November 18th, glass guy was here today. Quarter glass is in. Door glass is in. Car's coming right on along. Bose stereo was installed in the doors. This stuff right here, I had to make new moisture barriers. That's out of vinyl that I bought at Walmart. I think I paid like $4 for a 2-acre sheet of that stuff. But I had to make one for each of the doors. And I used the original ones as a pattern. I'm waiting on some of that white sticky stuff, the sticks that you roll out in your hand and you stick it on there to glue those things down around the edges. But anyway, we're coming along. I am really a happy camper. I've got some cleaning on other parts to do, but the car's moving along well. We're getting close. Looks pretty pitiful up here, doesn't it? First time out of the garage and cranked up in, I don't know, a couple of months since it was pulled in here for stripping and painting. Hope it cranks and runs. Cool.